We've got a great collection this morning, Monday morning. Just really beautiful fabrics. And the big thing for summertime right now is tonal. Through, and even it goes into fall too, is tonal. So, not necessarily same color top and bottom, but similar. And these are just they're all so pretty together. When you combine them and show them together, they're just beautiful. This is 100% cotton. This is a sweatshirt fabric, a French terry, I guess is what I want to call it. Beautiful, smooth on one side and then got the terry on the back side, but really beautiful. Stretch in both directions. Just really beautiful. These are all $10.99 today and tomorrow only. Then there's this lace. The lace is the same color, kind of a coffee color. Beautiful stretch in one direction. It's a cotton poly. It's really pretty. This is a little bit of a kind of an ITY with a gold fleck on it. It's really, really beautiful because it's a casual dress up. It's kind of what I like to call it. It has stretch in both directions, slight, not a lot. But isn't that pretty? Just for a simple, you could do like a pair of yoga pants and a t-shirt in the same thing and it would just look amazing. Just to, go to the grocery store, whatever. It would just be so pretty. This is, again, they're all $10.99. This is a cotton poly. It feels like a cotton, but it's got a little bit of poly in there. It could even be the Lurex thread. But you can see just beautiful top to bottom. It would be so pretty. Look at that together. They're just lovely. They're elegant. Stretch in both directions. This is a cotton poly, even though again it feels like 100% cotton. It's absolutely stunning. This is a really lightweight scuba. Stretch in both directions. Beautiful piece of fabric. They're all just so pretty. They're beautiful, just that really light summery tones that will just be beautiful sewn together, and they'll be easy to sew on. So happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.